Hi, Snapshot Tech Tips. I want to lock and unlock multiple BitLocker drives as once. Quickly as possible, can you help me?
For this tutorial video, I want you to think outside the box, but keep it simple. You don't have to be a programmer to write a page for this. The simpler the better, as long as the purpose can be achieved. Let's get started. I will leave these commands in the description of this tutorial video. You can copy and paste it to avoid spelling mistakes. Make sure you save the .bat file extension in your desktop so when you need it promptly, it will be there for you. You must run the .bat file as an administrator in order for it to work. If you leave your laptop unattended, it is important to take steps to protect your data, such as locking the drives using BitLocker passwords. Next, I am going to show you how to unlock your multiple USB drives. For example, in this case, I recommend you save the .bat file extension in the C drive or hide it somewhere safe. This is because the .bat file extension contains BitLocker passwords and you don't want them exposed to others easily. This time, your .bat file shows the BitLocker password that you created. Make sure you run it as an administrator, otherwise it won't work. You need to enter your BitLocker password correctly for both drives in order to unlock them successfully. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, go ahead to thumb up, subscribe to this channel, lastly share it to your friends and colleagues.